Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. E-double-L. I said so. I keep the goods up in my hood on the dirty like blood. So ain't got no twist in my head, but I'm still dreadful. And I got plenty of bread, so I go to bed full. I'm in it to win it, I'm all in. I might call you my blood, your blood, but we ain't kin. You think you're jumping, man, you best think again. The dirty, I'm the type of man that might go for revenge. Got some not so nice friends, kick the door off the hinge, take the door off your bins, pop up on your friends. Man, please, this shit ain't cynical. Man, no subliminal, I'm physical, financial, and mental to be a general. Hey, your mama thinks she want a slow job. I'm not the type be in the tank, but in that road. Man, please, I'm in the zone like AIDS full blown. I'm killing it like a blind man reading. I'm feeling it like, oh yeah.